Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, I'm going to show you that in case when you try to open the project file, and then when you get to maybe step 4, you got stuck, then how do you solve that problem, okay? All right, so again, I assume that you can download the data file, from the Blackboard. So let me download the file, okay. All right, and then I'm going to save to my F drive, and then it's a small file, so it's downloaded quickly, and then I'm going to open the folder, and I'm going to unzip, the file, so I'm going to unzip the file, my bad, should be this one. All right, so you can see that the folder with the file name got opened already, and then let me minimize this one, and this one as well. All right, and then I'm going to open my Visual Studio. So let me move this one into the screen. All right, then let me go to File, Open, and then I'm going to try the website. And then again, make sure that it's under File System. Navigate to the location where you have the file unzipped. So let me expand my location and then select this one. Select this one. Let me see. Maybe one. Oh yeah. I will say maybe the next one here. One label further. Click open. And then again, it will show you that inside the app underscore data, there's a database there. And then again, from time to time, I mentioned in class that before you do anything, make sure that it's compatible, compatible with the software you are using. And you can see it's not compatible right now, So no big deal, select that one, And then again, if it give you trouble, right click the mouse button, on again, let me show you the Server Explore option, Server Explore option. If you don't see this one, you can go to View, and then look for the Server Explorer, Then the window will show up. Then right click the mouse button and pick modify connection, and then click OK. If you say that it's not compatible, no big deal, just click OK again. And once the red warning sign is gone, then you can see the content in the table. All right, then we can select the default page and then switch to the design view. And then you can follow the instruction in the Word document. You say that open the file, which we have done it already. And then number 2, then you say that select the configuration data. Let me increase the font size. Select the config data source command from the Smart Tag menu of the SQL database source. So let me minimize this one. So this will be the Smart Tag menu. Click on this right triangle, right arrow sign. Click config data source. Then there you go. So this is the configuration string. And make sure that the database is what you wanted to open, which is correct. And then click next. And then once you got to here, then it says that let me see. Click next, button, when the first dialog box is displayed, use the current connection, and click next, button again to select the, again in the second dialog box, to enter a custom, again, a custom SQL statement, So this will be the option, select, a custom SQL statement, And then the next step, you say that the select tab, select tab, select tab. in the next dialog box will contain the current select statement, and then now click the query builder to display the query builder. Okay, so now we can select the next, and then select the query builder. Okay, and then the query builder dialog box will show up. Okay, enlarge it if necessary. Then from there, from there, you can add whatever you SQL statement in it. Okay, so I think that I will leave the rest of steps to you. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so let me stop the video. Okay.